Hey growers, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today, I want to share why I'm transforming my garden from mostly vegetables and annuals to a thriving native plant paradise that's buzzing with beneficial insects. It's not just beautiful, it's sustainable, powerful, and deeply rewarding. Let's dig into the top benefits. Even with fewer veggies, pollinators still matter. Native flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hoverflies, boosting productivity for fruits and any remaining crops. More bugs equals more blooms and better harvests. Number 2. Natural pest control. Lacewings, ladybugs, parasitic wasps, and ground beetles are your garden's secret weapon. They feast on pests like aphids and caterpillars, so you can ditch the sprays and let nature do the work. Third, less maintenance. Native plants are built for your local soil and climate. That means less watering, less fertilizing, and way less fuss. It's a self-sustaining system that frees up your time. Number 4. More biodiversity. A native garden doesn't just help insects. It supports birds, frogs, even small mammals. You're building a mini ecosystem that's resilient and full of life. Fifth, environmental stewardship. When you plant natives, you're helping stop habitat loss, supporting declining pollinators, and even aiding migration routes like the monarch butterflies. Your backyard becomes part of a bigger mission. Sixth, season-long beauty. Native plants bloom in succession, feeding insects all year, and keeping your garden stunning without the need to replant annuals. 7. Healthier soil. Native plants have deep roots that prevent erosion and feed the underground microbial world. Over time, your garden soil gets richer and more alive. 8. Peace and mindfulness. There's something magical about watching native bees work or seeing a butterfly rest on a coneflower. It slows you down, it grounds you. And the bonus? Climate resilience. Native gardens handle drought, floods, and wild weather better than traditional ones. They're built to survive, and that's exactly what we need right now. So if you're thinking of making the switch, start small. Add a native plant here or there. Watch the pollinators arrive. And soon, you'll have a garden that gives back, to you and to the planet. Subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips, native plant guides, and soil-smart growing methods, only here on the Wormy Garden. Grow smarter, not harder, with worms, wisdom, and a little bit of dirt magic.